Good morning, first grade. This is Mrs. Condon. Today we are going to be reading the story, Let's Go to the Moon. This is written by Stephen R. Swinburne, and it is an informational text. And we know that an informational text gives us facts about a topic, and we look for sentences that contain facts. Our target skill we're going to be working on this week is also main idea and details and author's purpose. We can also be looking for our long O and long U words as we read through the story, as well as our high frequency words. Let's get started. Let's go to the moon. Would you like to fly to the moon? Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. The flight. It can take 4 days to get to the moon. A rocket helps us blast into space. We ride in the spaceship at the top of the rocket. The surface of the moon is dusty and has many craters. There are no plants or animals on the moon. There is no water or air. The moon has rocks, dust, and craters. A crater is a big hole. Spacesuits. This is astronaut Ronald Evans wearing his spacesuit. It's time to put on our spacesuits. Spacesuits help keep our skin safe from the very hot sun and the very cold shade. The spacesuits have air in them so we can breathe. Now we are dressed for our walk on the moon. Moonwalk. Walking on the moon is fun. We can take big, light steps. We are very light because the moon has less gravity than Earth. We carry space tools with us. We have jobs to do here. Moon rocks. We find rocks and bits of dust to bring back home. We will show the rocks to people back on Earth. Lunar rover. We drive around in our lunar rover. It's even more fun than walking in our fat space suits. Looking at all the dust the lunar rover kicks up. Look at all the dust the lunar rover kicks up. Taking pictures. We take pictures of our footprints. We take pictures of our spaceship too. Our flag is up, the American flag. Let's take one last look before we go. We see rocks and dust. Let's go home. It's time to go back home. What is it like to be on the moon? It's strange and fun at the same time. You can see off in the distance, there's planet Earth. When you look up and see the moon, what do you think? Our moon is beautiful. Okay, now that you are done watching this video, if you have some extra time, I'd like you to go back through and read it again with me. So please click the refresh button and play it again. Thank you.